Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a wrist corsage today. So we've got some wired and taped orchids that I've already made and some Lysianthus or eustoma. I have attached a little artificial rose, and this is how I would wire the asparagus fern. Just pop it round here and wrap it around the stem and then tape it. Please see my previous videos if you want to see more about how to wire flowers. So once I've got that, it's just about putting it together. So I put this here and then I would place the eustoma here, or actually I would put another orchid here, here, and then I'd have this in the middle. And then I would have this fern here. Keeping it tight and taping it all together. If you have any loose wires, I would just cut them to make them all even. And there you go, you can keep that and have that as a corsage for a lapel, or you can make it into a wrist corsage. So you can easily make it into a wrist corsage by just adding some ribbon. I would take this and then tie it at the back. I'll try and do this with just the one hand. Okay, I have tied that and I've bent the stems there so you don't see them. And all you need to do is hold this around and then tie it in a way that would fit around your wrist. You could even wrap it round. If I hold on to this, I can show you what I mean. You could even wrap it around twice. Like that. You could have it like that and then tie it at the back. And it looks really beautiful. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see any more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.